Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got you this look. Now this is the look that I was wearing in one of my previous videos. This is a blue ombre eyeliner look with glossy nude lips. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. As always, I'm starting with my bare skin. I have already washed and scrubbed my face. I always prefer to scrub my face before I do my makeup. So I'm using this Garnier Micellar water, and with the help of a wet tissue I'm removing all the extra impurities, and once after that I'm hydrating my under eye area, and I'm using this Biotique serum for under eye moisturizing. Also I used one under eye cream from Biotique. All the products used will be in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out. So once after that I'm using this Nivea soft light moisturizer, and this one is extremely good. It's lightweight. Even if you have extremely oily skin, you can always pop this on and your face will be like well moisturized all through the day. So once after that I'm using this LA Girl Prep and Prime primer. Now this one is amazing for oily skin. So next I'm using this LA Girl Orange Concealer. Now this is my holy grail product. I cannot ever do makeup without an orange corrector. So I'm hiding out all my hyperpigmentations with orange concealer, and I'm just dabbing and pushing the product in with my fingers first, and then I'm just taking the excess with a damp beauty sponge or a beauty sponge or a makeup sponge. Then I'm using this PAC 5.0 foundation. The shade is 5.0 and I also do use shade number 4.9. I'm just blending this all with the same beauty sponge that I use to blend away the orange concealer. Then for highlighting and concealing, I'm using this LA Girl concealer in shade Fawn. Now this one is one of my favorite concealers, and my shade is Fawn or Toffee. If I want to highlight, I use Fawn. If I want like my skin color concealer, I use Toffee. And I'm also using this contour product from Nickaa, and the shade is chocolate and literally smells like chocolate, this product. So once after drawing those lines and filling, I'm just blending the concealer part first with the blender, and then I'm just blending the contour product. Once after that I'm setting this all with my compact powder. I'm using the classic tan shade from LA Girl pressed powder range, and I'm using cocoa shade from the same range to contour my face. Once after that is done, I'm taking this shade as my blush, and I'm just applying this on my apples of cheeks. So next I'm using this Freedom banana powder to set and highlight my under eye area, since I just felt like I need some more highlighting on those areas. So next I'm using this Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter, and I'm using this only on my cheekbones. So next I'm doing my eyebrows. For this I'm using spiked eyebrow pencil from MAC. You can use whatever eyebrow pencil you have, preferably a dark brown or a brown shade. So I'm taking the same shade that I used as my blush, and I'm just working this on the transition area of my eyelid, just to give like a small dimension to my eyelids, since I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. Just setting the lid area with a little bit of compact powder that I used for my face. Then I'm taking this Nykaa's color kajal. I will link the names and the shade name in the description box below. You can please check it out. I'm just drawing close to the lash line, like upper lash line, without going too much inside. I mean the inner corner and the outer part, just leaving those two areas and filling in the middle area, as you can see. So once after that is done, I'm going to be doing the inner and the outer part with a black matte eyeliner. You can use a glossy eyeliner as well, or any eyeliner of your preference. So as you can see, I'm just filling the inner part and the lash line, like the very closest part between the hair and the skin. Then I'm doing my wing liner as how I prefer, and I'm also smudging this on the area between the blue and the black line, just to give like a smudged effect. So that's it. After this I'm applying some mascara. For mascara I use the mascara from MAC. So once after that I'm lining and filling in my lips with this Miss Claire lip pencil in shade Snow Pink, and on the top of this I'm loading this needle and thread shade from Colourpop liquid lipstick. Once after that is done, I'm going to be adding a little bit of pink gloss from Bella Voste. just on the center part of my lips, not on the entire lips, just on the center. So with that, the look is complete. Now you can use any colored eyeliner or kajal for this look. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please like this and share it with your friends, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you all in my next one. Bye.